Several airlines have already started issuing travel waivers ahead of the storm. Charmaine Nero's live at MSP tonight with what you need to know before you head to the airport. Hi, Charmaine.
Hi, that's right. Well, the busiest travel days are expected to be tomorrow into Thursday, with about 33,000 people passing through TSA right here. But travel experts have a warning for people planning to travel.
It feels like any other day right now.
It's what you would call the calm before the storm.
It's been okay so far. I traveled during Thanksgiving though, and that was really bad.
With dangerous cold and wind expected in the upcoming days, travelers at MSP International Airport are hitting the skies.
You have to have faith.
As travel experts warn people to look for options.
The sooner you can leave, the better.
Kyle Potter with Thrifty Traveler says several airlines are issuing weather waivers to help travelers get out earlier.
It really gives travelers a chance to get ahead of the game here because, 24, 48 hours from now, it might be impossible to fly out of Minneapolis, St. Paul with what the weather that's coming.
Snow beginning tomorrow, and then some high winds along with that snow and some really cold temperatures that certainly could impact flights.
Airport spokesman Jeff Lee says travelers should check their airlines frequently in the upcoming days for any flight delays or cancellations, as travelers warn others to plan ahead.
Stay safe. Stay safe.
Now, the day after Christmas will also be a busy travel day. For a full list of those waivers, we've included more information on our website at KARE11.com. Back to you.